Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Placement Zone. Before starting our video, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please do subscribe now and click the bell icon. Chalo, let's go into the video. So finally, Accenture is sending the onboarding mails. If you carefully observe this, guys, they sending their onboarding mail from onboarding.doc.asc, and the onboarding date is October 17, 2023. And they're sending the onboarding mails for different locations like Gurugram, Hyderabad, Jaipur, and different locations, guys. Actually, I got the mail for Hyderabad location. If you have anyone got Hyderabad location, please, I will post my Instagram ID in the description. Please DM me if anyone got Hyderabad location. And if you carefully see these guys, their candidate were pleased to extend our opportunity to join Accenture on 17th October 2023. So they clearly mentioned our onboarding date is on October 17. So this is my mail, guys. I got this mail and I got the Hyderabad location. Clearly say anyone got Hyderabad location, please DM me. I don't know in one more thing, guys, some members telling like I didn't got onboarding mails. One of my friends got and I didn't got. Some members got. It's I think if you compare the last onboarding, like September 26 onboarding, for September 26 onboarding, they're sending mails from the 28th of August. They're sending mails from 28th August till September 1st. Actually, they're sending mails from 28th August to September 1st. So in the same way, for this also, actually today date is 15, right? So I think maybe in next week, definitely they send again the onboarding mails for different locations. I hope you also got the onboarding mail as soon as possible. And if you have any doubts regarding this, drop a comment. I will definitely reply your comments, and I will give the Telegram group link also in my description. Go and join that group. And that's all for this video, guys. Love you. Bye bye.